Have you ever wished you had one of those lights that you could just pull out of your pocket and save your bacon when you're in a real fix? Well, that light exists. It's called the LitraPro and it's ridiculously good. And now I'm gonna have to work really hard to find some bad bits to say for this video. Litra are one of those award-winning companies that I get particularly excited about when they release a new product. But as you know, I like a deal, so I rarely rush out to buy the latest tools. The specs are impressive for this small light. Sitting in the palm of your hand, it weighs just 170 grams, well, 6 ounces. With a lithium-ion battery, this device headlines a 10-hour runtime. It features 2 1/4-inch screw mounts, and it comes with mount accessories for pairing it with your DSLR or your action camera. The maximum output is 1200 lumens, but you can soften that glare because it comes with a dome diffuser. The colour temperature output can be very warm or very cold, with a range of 3600 kelvins to 6000. You get instant feedback from the controls via the OLED display. The LitraPro will even work underwater. Devices like the LitraPro are a real issue for me. They fall into a kryptonite category that breaks me down. If you don't relate, I'm trying to say that they sit in some basic human need that I have to have a penknife or a money clip or something that's indestructible. Man things. When I was 12, I first bought a mag light. That was a long time ago. I've now got one in every size. This light is the sort of thing you should always have in your camera bag. There is always a need for additional lighting. It adds texture, it adds depth, and interest in what you are filming. It's built to be robust to the point where it's waterproof, for God's sake. That excites me. I don't want to film it being dropped into a bowl of water. People on YouTube have done it, but it costs too much. Nothing comes close to build quality and the weight and the features and the performance. And if, like AJ, you get battery anxiety, well, you can charge this light on the fly by connecting a battery bank. Now you can relax, AJ. In the bad bits, the battery life is headlined at 10 hours, but full brightness will actually only give you 45 minutes. And yeah, that's still pretty impressive for a small device, but it was advertised at 10 hours and you can only do that on a low light setting, so there's a negative. Also, it was quite expensive for AJ. If you ever get hands on a LitraPro, well, I've learned that you won't ever enjoy another LED light. Nothing's going to hit the sweet spot, nothing. The sweet spot of quality and price though, this isn't. No, it's a high price for AJ, but it's also high quality. High price for AJ, quality. It might be a sweet spot for me. But this is a light that you will simply aspire to. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and if you want to read more, you can check out our blog. There's also some links below. You might also want to check those out. But remember, thumbs show love, so be careful where you put them. That's all for this one. We'll see you in the next one. I really do appreciate it though.
I can't believe you spent my money again.
But look what you've got.
I've not got it. Where did you put it?
Let me complete my sentence. Look what you got me.